Welcome at Alphamantraining.com. We are driving to the lake, and for your success. Some people coming. So, well. Awesome. So, it's better go by yourself or with a friend. Let's talk about that. So, there are pluses and minuses. For example, if you go by yourself, so you have full time for advantage. Like, you're not dependent by your friend. You can check for same delay girls, approach them, talk to them, and get laid with them. When you go with a friend, if he's not trained, if he didn't see wingman training material, there's a link below. So, it's hard for him to, for you will be hard because your friend will be not trained, and for you will be better, to be by yourself, because you take responsibility 100 for yourself, and you approach them, make same delay, fuck them, so amazing. Also, when you go by yourself, now you're training yourself to be just alone by yourself, and you can relax, and at the lake, at the resort, at the beach. Watch definitely, our DVD program, from approach to sex in resort, amazing DVD. Because you will be trained how to approach girls near lakes, near beaches, on the beaches. A lot of girls. So there are more pluses by going by yourself than going with a friend. But, naturally we have better mood when we go with a friend. But, once you learn everything from Alphamantraining products, the knowledge in Alphamantraining products give you, the mood, give you the optimism. I know how to approach them, how to seduce them. So you will not need a friend. You will be able to be independent and go by yourself. But if there will be two girls to approach, so then for you it will be harder, because when a wingman is a very good thing to have with yourself. So definitely, it depends by station. If you really like to be at the center of attention, talk to two girls, seduce them, so it's okay being by yourself. Also, you will have two girls to approach. Will make them to compete because of you. It depends. But if you are more introvert, you like to approach one woman and talk to her, or one girl, so definitely it's better for you to go by yourself. Your life is limited. You have limited amount of time. If you will not invest into Alphamantraining all products, so what's waiting for you? Fear to approach, a girl near the lake. Fear to approach a girl near the sea, near the river. You will have approach anxiety, so you will not feel amazing. Will be single. Will be not confident, so will not be well for you. So we always, there's no other way. Even you will be not self-confident. not attractive man. You will lack confidence to approach. Will be single. Will not know how to seduce girls, how to seduce women, how to get your life partner. Will not be courage. You will not get from your life what you deserved. So there's no other way. You need carefully read all Alphamantraining.com products. Read our book, our all life experience, how to become an alpha man. Watch pickup online training courses, night game program, how to dance with a woman. So in that way, you know, you will have, you know, the mentor, online mentor, your online account, and will watch everything and will learn everything. So links are below. Also, there's an online boxing and coaching DVD program where you can train yourself, you know, gain muscles and learn boxing, kickboxing, and forbidden punches to not afraid of guys. It's very awesome DVD. So once again, the first product, how to become an alpha man ebook, carefully read that. The second product, which you carefully need to watch, pickup online training courses. Third product, night game program, how to dance with women. Everything carefully watch, learn. Fourth product, from approach to sex in resort. Fifth product, from approach to sex at the gym. Sixth product, from approach text with 5 different girls, version 1. Seventh product, from approach to sex with 5 different girls, version 2. Eighth product, same day bang, version 1. Ninth product, same day bang, version 2. 10th product, students transformations, all. And then, you know, you go to watch wingman training material and online boxing coaching DVDs, awesome DVDs. So links are below. Invest, don't waste your time. You will earn money. Money you will earn, but time you cannot earn. Don't think about money. Money you will earn, but you will not earn your time. So later you will regret. For your future success, to become expert. Charles, let's drink. Until next time, have a great day.